well. Are you guys leaving na? I'm sorry to ruin your moment. May mga kukunin lang ang mga things ko. By the way, this is my new personal assistant, Chi-Chi. You guys know her, right?
At your service.
Hanep ka talaga, Megan. Sinira mo yung Yumi.
Wow. Blame game na naman ba to? Buti na lang. I'm free from all your complaints and your whinings. I can do anything on my own now. Kasi hindi ko na kayo kailangan.
Awat na, Insan. Wala rin naman tayong mapapala kung aawayin lang natin tong demonyitang to. Hoy, walang mangyayari dyan sa karir mo.
Sa tingin mo, magkakasolo career ka ba? Akala mo may tatanggap pa sa'yo.
Of course.
Wala na, tukmol! Yung pinagmamalaki mong nanay na tutulong sa'yo. Sinusuka na siya ng industriya.
I have my mom. She knows everyone. Kayang-kaya niya ako bigyan ng solo career.
Your mom's fame, connections, cannot compete with my mom's power.